Let's start now. Exercise 6.3 and question number 5. I will solve some questions and some questions I will give as an assignment. In question number 5, you have to sketch a diagram here. What is the question given? You can see clearly that S and T are points on sides PR and QR of a triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to RTS. So we have to show this relation RPQ similar to RTS. So we have to sketch a diagram. We'll draw a triangle and give the name of triangle. It is PQR. And what is the next? There is the 2 points P and S lies here. Okay, S lies on RP and T lies on QR. It is not given parallel, but one condition is given that angle P is equal to angle RTS. That is given. What is given here? Given angle P is equal to angle RTS. And what is to prove? We have to prove that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Okay, that you have to prove. Now we will write solution here. In solution, we'll simply select the triangle. In triangle RPQ and triangle RST. Okay, simply we'll write triangle angle RTS. Can you see RTS is equal to angle P? It is given in two triangles. Now for both the triangles, this triangle, that is the upper segment part, and the whole triangle, R is the common vertices. So I will write here angle R is equal to angle R, that is what? Common. And therefore I will write triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. I have written RST, you can write RTS, it's same. By which criteria? Angle similarity. So it's better that you write here RTS. Okay, way to prove. So by this way we have proved this one. Clear? Now go to question number 6. Sixth question is, we are given figure 6.37. ABE is congruent to ACD. ABE is congruent to ACD. Okay, ignore BC, so you will get ABE congruent to ACD. What is to show that triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. ADE and ABC. So for your convenience, I am sketching the diagram once again here. We have given a triangle ABC in which point D and E lies in such a way that BE has been joined as well as DC has been joined. Now you are given that in question triangle ABE is solution congruent to triangle. Can you see ABE congruent to triangle ACD? Just identify where the ABE and ACD is. Okay, ABE congruent to triangle ACD, and on the basis of that, what you have to prove here? You have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC, whole triangle. Now if I'll carry AB and AC, can you see ABE and ACD? Okay, the two triangles are congruent. So what will be benefit for us using this condition? We will write here, therefore AB is equal to AC. What I will write? AB is equal to AC. I can write it by CPCT, congruent part of congruent triangle. And I will write also AD is equal to AE. It is also by what? By CPCT. If AB and AC are equal, I will write AD and A is also equal. Clear? So now I am going to select in triangle ADE and triangle ABC. First I will write AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. AD upon AB is equal to AE upon AC. That is dividing 1 by 2. Or if you don't want to write, you can write these two conditions also. It is okay. Don't panic about it. And you will find that angle A is common in both the triangles. So right here angle A is equal to angle A. Here it is common angle. So we got side, angle, side. If I am taking the smaller one and if I am going for the bigger one also, it is what? It is side, angle, side. So I will write here, therefore triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD by what criteria? By side, angle, side. And this is what we have to, cancel this. What you have to write? Triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by side, angle, side. Actually this one was given, you have to prove this one. AD is similar to triangle ABC by side, angle, side. Don't write this one, it is not necessary because it is already given. So by this way we completed question number 6. Now we'll move for question number 7. Okay, one of the largest question in the textbook. I will do some parts and some parts I will ask you to do. Now you can see for question number 7, a triangle is made in such a way that one altitude is here. Give the name of the triangle A, B, C, and another is what? AD. Both C and AD are intersecting at P. Now you can say here so many triangles are formed and these conditions you have to prove: AEP, CDP, ABD, CBE, AEP, ADB and PDC, BEC. Question number 7. I am talking about question number 7. The question is given in textbook. I am directly starting the solution because we have not that much time for video. So first of all, the first triangle I am going to select here, triangle AEP and triangle CDP. I am just giving the solution according to your textbook. Okay. Now can you see here AEP and CDP? We need two regions to prove it similar. The first one is angle APE is equal to angle CPD. Can you say why? It is vertical opposite angle. This region and this region. Now we have two right angles also. So I will write angle PEA is equal to angle PDC. Reason, it is what? Right angle. And therefore I will write triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by what? By angle criteria. That's what. See, very simple. Now second we have to prove triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Now let's find out where the ABD is. A, B, D. This region ABD and CBE. So we do not have to consider this particular region. Okay. So in triangle ABD and CBE, I can clearly see B is the common angle. So I will write angle B is equal to angle B. It is what? Common. And then I will write for ABD angle ADB is equal to for CBE angle CEB. Why? It is right angle. Just see it properly. ADB and CB. You can see very clearly ADB and CB. It is what? Right angle. And common angle is B. We have taken. So we can write therefore triangle ABD is similar to triangle CBE by which criteria? By AA criteria. Now the third one is triangle AEP and triangle ADB. AEP and ADB. Now can you see AEP and ADB? AEP and ADB. The first of all, I will write a right angle. Angle AEP is equal to angle ADB. It is right angle. And I will write which angle is common here. You'll find that angle A is common. Okay. So write angle A is equal to angle A. That is what? Common angle. And therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle ADB by which criteria? Angle again. You can see all the topics are with angle criteria. And the last one is, the fourth one is triangle PDC and triangle BEC. You can see here PDC and BEC. Now we are going to hide this whole. We have PDC and BEC one side. So again, first of all, I will write the right angle triangle. Angle PDC is equal to angle BEC, right angle. Now what common you will get here? Can you imagine? It is C. Angle C is equal to angle C. C is the common angle. It is common angle. And therefore triangle AEP, sorry.